Ciao amici, hello friends. Welcome to your first Italian lesson. And today, we're going to cover some essential Italian phrases for beginners that you can use in everyday conversations. Whether you're planning to visit Italy, dreaming of a future trip, or simply love the sound of the language, this is the perfect place to start. Learn essential Italian phrases in 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have learned the essential phrases to greet someone, ask for directions, order food, and more. And guess what? We'll even throw in some pronunciation tips so you can sound like a native speaker. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Part 1. Greetings and basic phrases. Let's start with the basics. Greetings are a huge part of Italian culture. Italians are known for being warm and friendly. So knowing how to greet someone in Italian will instantly make you feel more connected. Ciao, hello, goodbye. Our first word is ciao. It's super versatile because it can mean both hello and goodbye. You'll hear this word all the time, especially in informal situations. Want to greet a friend? Just say ciao. Buongiorno, good morning. Now, for more formal situations or when you want to be extra polite, you can say buongiorno, which means good morning. You can use this up until around 2 p.m. After that, you switch to buonasera. Buonasera, good evening. So, after 2 p.m., or when it's getting a little late, you greet people with buonasera. It's just like saying good evening in English, perfect for restaurants, meeting new people, or just sounding extra fancy. Come stai? How are you? Okay, now that you know how to say hello and good morning, let's take it a step further with come stai, which means how are you? This is a simple phrase to ask someone how they're feeling. For a more formal version, you can say come sta? Sto bene, I'm fine. And if you want to reply and say I'm fine, you say sto bene. So let's put it together. Come stai? Pause. Sto bene. Now let's repeat that again so it sticks. Come stai? Sto bene. Great job. Now you can greet someone and ask how they're doing. Part 1. Expansion. Extra greetings. Bonus. Additional phrases. Before we move on, let's cover a few more phrases to enrich your conversations. If you meet someone for the first time, you can say, piacere, nice to meet you. Piacere means nice to meet you. It's simple but important, especially when you're introduced to someone new. Tutto bene? Everything okay? You can also ask tutto bene, which means everything okay? It's a friendly way to check in on someone. All right. So now you're ready to greet people in different ways and start a basic conversation in Italian. It's time to move on to the next section. Part 2. Numbers 1 to 10. Counting in Italian. Learning numbers is one of the most useful things when traveling or practicing a new language. Whether you're shopping, asking for directions, or buying a coffee, you'll need to know how to count. Let's start with the numbers 1 to 10. Repeat after me. Uno, 1, uno, 1. Do, 2, do, 2. Tre, 3, tre, 3. Quattro, 4, quattro, quattro. Cinque, 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 cinque. Sei, 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 sei. Sette, 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 sette. Otto, 8, otto, 8. Nove, 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 nove. 10, dient, 10, dient. Numbers 1 to 10 appear in a sequence. Perfect. Now you know how to count to 10 in Italian. Let's do a quick review together. Ready? Uno, due, tre. Keep going. Once you've mastered these, you can start learning numbers up to 100 or beyond. But for now, let's stick with these basics, as they'll get you through most beginner conversations. Part 3. Ordering food and drinks. Now let's imagine you're in a cafe or restaurant in Italy. You'll need to know how to order food and drinks. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Vorrei un caffè per favore. I would like a coffee, please. A common phrase you'll use is vorrei un caffè per favore, which means I would like a coffee, please. The key word here is vorrei, which means I would like. You can use this word in many different situations, not just for coffee. Vorrei un bicchiere d'acqua. I would like a glass of water. For example, if you want a glass of water, you can say vorrei un bicchiere d'acqua. Or maybe you're craving some delicious Italian gelato. You'd say vorrei un gelato, per favore. Vorrei un gelato, per favore. I would like an ice cream, please. Quanto costa? How much does it cost? Next, if you're curious about the price, ask quanto costa, which means how much does it cost? This is a must-know phrase when you're shopping in Italy. Part 4. Asking for directions. Getting lost in Italy is almost a rite of passage for travelers. But don't worry. I'm going to teach you some phrases to help you ask for directions. Dove? Where is? The phrase you'll use most is dove, which means where is. For example, you can say dove il bagno, which means where is the bathroom? Dove il bagno? Where is the bathroom? Or if you're trying to find a famous landmark, say dove il Colosseo, which means where is the Colosseum? This phrase is a lifesaver when you're navigating Italian cities. Dove il Colosseo? Where is the Colosseum? A sinistra, to the left, a destra, to the right. Once you've asked for directions, you'll need to understand the answer. The key words you'll hear are a sinistra for to the left and a destra for to the right. So if someone says gira a destra, they're telling you to turn right. Part 5. Practice and review. Drop your answers in the comment section. Before we finish, let's practice everything we've learned today. I'll say a phrase in English, and you try to say it in Italian. Ready? How are you? How do you say how are you in Italian? Come stai? I would like a coffee, please. What about I would like a coffee, please? Vorrei un caffè, per favore. Where is the bathroom? How do you ask? Where is the bathroom? Dove il bagno? Numbers 1 to 10. Finally, let's count to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Italian lessons. Bravissimi! You've made great progress today. Now you know the basics to start speaking Italian with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Italian lessons. We've got plenty of new content on the way to help you become fluent in no time. And before you go, check out the description for a special link to chat one-on-one with a native Italian speaker. See you next time. Arrivederci.